Welcome back, construction and heavy machinery enthusiasts. This is Mighty Machines, and today we're taking a fascinating journey into the world of hydraulic excavators, specifically the industry giants. Get ready to be blown away as we count down the top 10 world's largest hydraulic excavators of 2023. Starting our list at number 10 is the LIEBHERR 9600 G8, weighing an impressive 645 tons, 711 US tons. What sets this behemoth apart is its state-of-the-art technology, including an intelligent hydraulic system that optimizes power distribution for maximum efficiency. The R9600 G8's precision and speed in digging and loading operations make it a game-changer for large-scale mining and construction projects. With its robust build and innovative features, it stands tall among its competitors in the heavyweight category. Coming in at number 9 is the XCMG XE7000, weighing an astonishing 673 tons, 742 US tons. The XCMG XE7000 is a mammoth excavator that stands out for its exceptional capabilities and advanced control systems. One of its key features is its sophisticated control technology, which ensures smooth and precise operations. The advanced control systems allow for seamless coordination of various hydraulic functions, giving the operator excellent control over the machine's movements and actions. The XCMG XE7000's focus on operator comfort and safety further enhances its reputation as a powerful and reliable heavy-duty excavator. At number 8, we have the LIEBHERR 996B, weighing 676 tons. The LIEBHERR 996B is an impressive hydraulic excavator that excels in performance and its commitment to environmental sustainability. One of its standout features is its superior fuel efficiency, which allows it to achieve significant fuel savings compared to other excavators of its size and class. This efficiency is achieved through advanced engine technology, optimized hydraulics, and intelligent control systems that minimize fuel consumption during operation. Its exceptional stability and digging force allow it to tackle the toughest terrains and efficiently excavate large volumes of material, setting new standards in the hydraulic excavator industry. Taking the 7th spot is the KOMATSU PC 7000-11, weighing an astonishing 692 tons. This machine stands out because of its innovative and intelligent control system that ensures precise and safe operations. The PC 7000-11's exceptional digging depth and reach give it a competitive edge in large-scale mining and quarrying projects. Its robust build and unmatched durability make it a force to be reckoned with in heavy machinery. Our number 6 entry is the DEMAG H740OS, weighing an impressive 744 tons. This hydraulic excavator boasts a spacious, ergonomic operator cab, providing maximum comfort and visibility. The H740's OS's advanced telematics and monitoring systems allow efficient fleet management and maintenance planning. Its adaptability and exceptional performance in various applications make it a highly sought-after machine in the mining and construction industries. Breaking into the top 5 is the KOMATSU PC 8000-11, weighing a colossal 773 tons. The KOMATSU PC 8000-11 is a remarkable excavator known for its raw power and precision. Its advanced hydraulic system allows smooth and responsive movements, precisely controlling delicate tasks and heavy-duty earth moving. At number 4, we have the LIEBHERR 9800 G6, weighing an astonishing 810 tons. This hydraulic excavator is known for its unmatched digging depth and impressive bucket capacity, making it a true heavyweight contender in the mining industry. The R9800 G6's innovative energy recovery system further enhances fuel efficiency, reducing operating costs and environmental impact. With its power-packed performance and cutting-edge features, the R9800 G6 solidifies LIEBHERR's reputation as an industry leader. Taking the third spot is the HITACHI EX8000-7, weighing a colossal 837 tons, 923 US tons. This hydraulic excavator impresses with its high productivity and excellent fuel efficiency. Its advanced hydraulic system and electronic controls ensure smooth and precise movements, boosting overall performance and operator comfort. The EX8000-7's focus on sustainability and performance make it a true engineering marvel in hydraulic excavators. Climbing to number 2, we have the Bucharest RH400, known as the T-Rex O&K RH400, weighing a jaw-dropping 980 tons, 1,080 US tons. This colossal hydraulic excavator boasts one of the largest bucket capacities in the world, making it a giant in the mining and earth-moving industries. Its intelligent and automated systems ensure optimal digging and loading operations, enhancing productivity and cost-effectiveness. With its unmatched power and performance, the Bucharest RH400 redefines what hydraulic excavators are capable of. And finally, taking the top spot as the largest hydraulic excavator of 2023 is the Caterpillar 6090 FS, weighing an astounding 1,000 tons, 1,102 US tons. This colossal machine showcases Caterpillar's engineering prowess, offering exceptional digging power and unmatched bucket capacity. Its intelligent hydraulic system and advanced control features provide precise and efficient operations in the most demanding conditions. The 6090 FS's durability, efficiency, and innovative technology make it the epitome of cutting-edge hydraulic excavators. There you have it. The top 10 world's largest hydraulic excavators of 2023. Which of these massive excavators impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in heavy machinery and construction. Until next time,